Sesame Street!
That's my tune!
It's cold!
Well, I guess I can share! I'm a jokester. Who's also a large, colorful owl.
H is for hot. T is for third-degree burn. F is for on my face.
We're sure learning a lot of words today. Lucy, the purple goosey.
That's me. James.
I'm an owl.
Maury! Jerry Springer!
Yeah, that's right, I'm an owl!
Look! Look! Oh, that you don't have any feathers. The last owl that I dated had thousands of feathers. Oh!
Even talk like you don't know that I'm self-conscious about being a bald owl!
Shopping Channel!
And for all those bald owls, we've got Mrs. Featherbody's Featherball. Rub it right on.
Rub it on your face.
Anywhere, really.
On your wings. Not on your legs, because owls don't have feathers there.
But I'll tell you folks at home something. If you rub it on your legs, you get some leg feathers. And it's only 4 easy installments of 28.32 bump.
Pause! Let's see someone rubbing it on their legs and getting leg feathers.
Okay, sweetie,